First graders, what's up? Happy math time. It's me and my friend, me and my eagle snake. We're back. Today's video is going to be short, just like it was yesterday with Miss Rozeski. I want to talk about real quickly what we learned so far this week with Miss Rozeski. So at the beginning of the week, we talked about how much each coin is worth. So let's talk about that again real quick, just so it's fresh in our minds. A penny is, did you say 1 cent? Good job. A penny is 1 cent. Yesterday, you also worked about dimes. How much is a dime? 10 cents. Good job. What about a nickel? How much is a nickel? 5 cents. 5 cents. And the other one we need to learn in first grade is a quarter. How much is a quarter? 25 cents. Those are important things. You got to learn that, okay? So also yesterday, I know that you practiced counting coins. You practiced counting pennies, which counting pennies is super easy because they're worth 1, so you count by 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, right? Super easy. Dimes, we can't count by 1s with dimes because a dime is worth 10 cents. So we got to count by 10s when we do dimes. 10, 20, 30, 40. That's easy peasy lemon squeezy too. Here's what we're going to do today. You're already good at counting with pennies. You're already good with counting with dimes. So today what I want us to do is we're going to still practice counting pennies, but we're also going to practice today counting nickels. And remember, how much is a nickel? A nickel's 5. 5, 5, 5. So we're going to count, when we count nickels, we're going to count by 5s. Which we do this a lot at school, and I think you guys even maybe do this, I'm pretty sure with Mr. King and Miss Dyson, y'all do this in PE, right? When you go to PE, you count by 5. So real quick, let's just practice counting by 5s. Say it with me. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. You can dance. 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95. Good job. It's more fun if you dance. You don't have to, but it's more fun that way. Okay, so here's what we're going to do today. So right here you can see we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pennies, and it's telling us 5 pennies equals the same as 1 nickel. 5 pennies is 5 cents. 1 nickel is 5 cents. So let's watch this here. We're going to count by 5s and see what happens. See, we've got 5, 10, and 15. So we've got 1, 2, 3 nickels, but because each nickel is worth 5 cents, we've got 5, 10, 15 cents. So 3 nickels is 15 cents because we count by 5s. Let's do another practice here. Okay, so oops, go back. We're going to do that froggy another day. On this page, you don't have to print this or anything, and you don't have to put this on the flip grid. It says, what is the value of 5 nickels, 10 nickels, 20 nickels? So what I'm going to do is there I am. I'm going to get myself a piece of paper, and I know yesterday you guys, Ms. Rozeski said you could use real coins. You can do that again only if your mommy and daddy say it's okay. You have to ask your mommy and daddy first, or one of them, an adult. You could make your coins again if you want to. Today, though, I'm going to show you how you can just draw them if you want to just draw them. Okay, so let's go get whatever you need. If you're going to get real coins, you're going to need pennies and nickels. If you're going to make your coins, go get a piece of paper and your scissors and whatever you're going to write with to make your coins. And if you're going to draw your coins like me, go get a piece of paper and a pencil or a crayon, whatever you want to draw with. You can even use a marker if your mom or dad says it's okay. I'm going to use a blue pen because that's what I got. I got this one. So go get your step and then come back. We're back. Okay, so on your paper, go ahead and pause the video and you can write 5 nickels, 10 nickels, 20 nickels. So pause the video real quick and write those things out and leave some spaces because we're going to draw pictures here, okay? All right. And we're back. So this one, I'm going to draw 5 nickels. So I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And each nickel is worth 5. So I'm going to just write a number 5. And you know what? With 5s, this is a really, really good time. I know sometimes if we're in a rush at school, sometimes our 5s get backwards. This is a great day to practice making your 5s nice and neat. So see how I do it? You go across, down, and then make your little curve like that. Isn't that a beautiful 5? I've been really practicing these a lot because I knew that I was going to teach you all about nickels. So I've been practicing my 5s a lot. So today I want, when you draw your nickels, I want you to draw all of your 5s. Okay, perfectly. So now, so we've got 5 nickels and it said, how much is this worth? So let's count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So 5 nickels equals 25 cents. And don't forget your cent sign. That's important. Okay? Let's do this with 10 nickels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Same thing. We got to write 5s on all of them so we know they're worth 5. I mean, I don't want to brag, y'all, but I am so good at making 5s. It's because I practice. I practice so much. I practice writing my numbers every day. Okay, so now we've got 10 nickels. We wrote 5s on all of them. Let's count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So 10 nickels equals 50 cents. 20 nickels. 20 nickels. Here's what I want y'all to do. I want you to do the 20 nickels by yourself. Draw 20 circles. Write 5s on all of them. And then count by 5s and go show an adult to check your answer. Okay? Good luck with your 20 nickels. I know you can do it. And Snake and I will be back for tomorrow's math. Bye. We love you and we miss you.